Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. In this AutoCAD Lisp tutorial, we will explore how to enhance an existing Lisp script to create center points for multiple objects in AutoCAD. The original script only calculated the center point for a single object, but with a few modifications, we will extend its functionality to handle multiple objects. Previous video tutorial Lisp, working only single center point of closed object. In this tutorial Lisp, working for multiple objects center point. Let's start. Before watching this tutorial. Subscribe, like, and share. Let's draw a geometry object and some polyline closed objects. A P command enter by space load Lisp script. Select this cen of one Lisp and click on load. Make sure the Lisp script successfully loaded. Now type cen of one command and hit enter by space button in keyboard. For selecting all object, type in command panel all and enter. Now type point command and enter select point which you want. Now for single object center point, you can type this command cen of.